You launched your store, set up your campaigns, picked your bidding strategy, and nothing. No sales, or maybe just one or two, but they're really expensive. You start wondering, am I using the wrong bidding strategy? Should I switch from manual to tROAS? Should I lower my bids? The truth is, bidding doesn't fix what's broken underneath. In this video, I'm going to show you how to approach bidding for your Google Ads campaigns the right way without wasting money. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we even touch on the bidding strategies, we need to make sure that the foundation of our campaigns are solid. If your tracking is off, your offer is unclear, or your keywords are scattered, no bidding strategy is going to really work. So here are a few things to ask yourself before you decide on your bidding strategy. Is my conversion tracking actually working? Is my offer clear? Are my ad groups structured properly? Am I targeting the right keywords? Is my site experience strong enough to convert these clicks into sales? If something doesn't add up, please fix that first. Bidding won't save you if your basics aren't in the right place. Okay, if all checks out, perfect. Now let's talk about how to use bidding to actually get results. Okay, so here's the simple goal with bidding in 2025. You want your campaigns to hit at least 30 conversions in 30 days. Why? Well, because that's the sweet spot where you can hand things over to smart bidding and let it do all the heavy lifting. I remember the old days where we used to adjust the bids manually every single day. And when smart bidding came out, it was a real mess. But fast forward to now, smart bidding has come a really long way. And if you're still just using manual bidding and not using smart bidding when you have enough data, you're going to be left behind. But that data is so important. So we need to get that conversion data first before we can start utilizing smart bidding. This means that if you've got a fresh brand new account with zero history, your first goal is just getting conversions. That's it. Forget about profits for now. Chances are you won't be profitable in the beginning. You really need up to 90 days to test, to learn, and to gather enough data. Okay, but how do we actually start? First, we go with manual CPC. So how do you actually set your bids? We often use Google suggested CPCs for the different keywords. If it says $5 on the low end, $15 on the high end, we'll set it in the middle, $10 to $12. Alright, so if your campaign already has 30 or more conversions over the last 30 days, that's a really strong signal. You're finally in a good spot to start testing out conversion-based bidding strategies. You've got two main options here. Max conversions with a tCPA cap or max conversion value with a tROAS cap. But here's where most people get it wrong. They set their target CPA or target ROAS way too low from the beginning. Let's say your average CPA is around $120. Don't just go and set your target CPA to $100 from day one. Why? Because Google hasn't proven that it can hit that target CPA yet. You're just guessing, and that can tank performance really fast. Instead, start by matching your current average. Or maybe go 10% lower if you're feeling confident. In this case, set your target CPA to $112 to $120 just to start. Let it run for a week or two and then check, is my CPA trending down? Am I still getting good volume? If yes, go ahead and drop your target CPA by another 10 to 20%. That's how you guide your smart bidding in the right direction with real data and not guessing. Okay, what if your account already has a ton of data and you're launching a new campaign? Can you go straight into smart bidding? Yes, but only if you're targeting the same keywords as an older campaign. In that case, Google can use the account level data to guide that campaign. So go ahead and start with max conversions or max conversion value with no cap and let it run for at least a week. But if you're targeting completely new keywords that your account has never touched before, that's a completely different story. You need to treat it like a brand new account. Start with manual CPC, focus on building conversion volume, then switch to smart bidding once you have enough data. Because even if you have $100K in spend on that account, new keywords mean fresh data is required for that smart bidding. Okay, so to sum it up, bidding alone won't fix a campaign. You need solid structure, a clear offer, and a great user experience first. When you get those right, the right bidding strategy at the right stage gives you real control to scale. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you have any questions about bidding, drop them down in the comments down below. My team and I, we're sure to respond. And if your Google Ads account seems stuck and you're not able to scale, my team and I, we can help you with that. We have our KeyCommerce Academy, which is a community with live coaching calls, courses that shows you how to scale from 0 to 20K per month. And we also do the work for you with our agency. You can get in touch with us down below, book a time, and we'd love to speak with you about how we can scale your e-commerce store. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.